Easy Mode gives you everything you need to get a photo laser ready, with one extra step up front to crop your image, and the option to fine-tune the result before you download. To get started, just click Prepare Your First Image for free on the homepage, or pick Easy Mode from the overview below. Then upload your photo. I'm using this portrait of a girl for this walkthrough. Right after uploading, you get the option to crop your image. I'm going to trim a bit off the top and the left side to put the girl more in the center. Once you're happy with your selection, hit Continue. Now, here's where it gets really easy. Easy Mode comes with material presets that are already dialed in for you. Since I'm engraving on birch plywood, I'll pick wood from the dropdown. Next, I'll set my width to 180 millimeters, and the height adjusts automatically to keep the right proportions. For my 80-watt CO2 laser with a compound lens, I'm going with 318 dpi. Now just click Prepare Image and let the app do its thing. And here's our processed image, ready for wood engraving. If you hover over the result, you'll get a built-in magnifier so you can inspect the details up close without any extra effort. Now let's get to the real magic of Easy Mode, the live dither preview while you fine-tune your settings. See this area under the eye? It's a bright white patch with no detail. We can fix that by pulling the highlight slider down just a touch. And here's a little pro tip. Once a slider is active, you can use your up and down arrow keys to make tiny adjustments for even more control. Just that one small change already brought back the detail we were missing. I'll also bump up the sharpen slider a bit to pull out a little more definition. When you're happy with your result, download the image and import it into your laser software. Now, if the image looks pixelated on screen, don't worry, that's just a display thing. Your monitor can't show every single pixel at once. It won't affect your engraving at all. On my 80-watt CO2 laser, I'm running 120 millimeters per second, 15% max power, and 1% min power. One important thing, make sure passthrough is turned on. If it's not, your laser software will reprocess the image and mess up all the work we just did. That's it. Hit start and let it engrave. I've got the wood held down with magnets to keep it perfectly flat for the best result. And look at that. Beautiful brown tones, crisp details, no burned out areas. A perfectly engraved wood portrait, done in under a minute with Easy Mode. Go try it yourself at imag-r.com and show us what you make.